Hi, I'm Allan Wohrnitz, a nutrition expert, and today we're going to talk about something that impacts millions of people worldwide: chronic inflammation. If you're struggling with pain, brain fog, skin conditions, or digestive issues, chances are chronic inflammation is at the root of your problems. Inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, and it's often triggered by the things we consume daily, like stress, junk foods, and excess sugar from refined carbohydrates, sweets, and sodas. Even processed seed oils rich in omega-6 contribute to the problem. And let's not forget, an imbalanced diet with too many acidic foods will keep fueling this fire. When inflammation gets out of control, it leads to a host of problems like skin conditions, joint pain, digestive issues, and weight gain. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, how do we combat it? The answer is not in quick fixes or painkillers, but in addressing the root cause through proper nutrition, supplements, and natural healing. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to reduce chronic inflammation and reclaim your health. Step 1. Eliminate junk foods. The first thing you need to do is eliminate inflammatory foods. This includes omega-6 rich seed oils, processed sugars, and refined carbohydrates. Think sweets, sodas, cakes, pastries, and packaged cereals. Foods that fuel your inflammation fire. Once you remove these from your diet, you'll immediately notice a reduction in your inflammation triggers. Step 2. Balance your diet. Next, it's all about balance. Aim for 80% alkaline foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, and limit acidic foods like red meat, dairy, and processed grains to just 20%. And don't forget your electrolytes: calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium from natural sources like sea salt or Celtic salt. By keeping your diet alkaline, you help neutralize inflammation and keep your body in harmony. Step 3. Reduce stress. Chronic stress is a sneaky contributor to inflammation. Managing stress through light exercises, walking in nature, and surrounding yourself with positivity can make a world of difference. Stress reduction is key to helping your body control inflammation. Step 4. Supplement for anti-inflammation. Supplements are another effective way to manage inflammation. Vitamin C, vitamin B5, omega-3s, and minerals like selenium, zinc, copper, and iron support your adrenal glands, which naturally produce anti-inflammatory hormones. These supplements act as natural anti-inflammatories, helping to soothe your body from the inside out. Step 5. Repair with LifeWave X39 patches. For long-term repair, especially if you've been dealing with inflammation for years, LifeWave X39 patches are a powerful solution. These stem cell activation patches help reactivate dormant cells and guide them to damaged areas, supporting your body's natural healing process. Chronic inflammation doesn't have to control your life. By eliminating junk foods, balancing your diet, reducing stress, supplementing wisely, and using natural solutions like the LifeWave X39 patches, you can drastically improve your health and vitality. If you'd like more personalized guidance, don't hesitate to book a free 30-minute health consultation with me. Let's get you back on track to better health and reduced inflammation. And remember to subscribe for more actionable health tips. I've got over 100 videos packed with advice on how to naturally reverse health issues through nutrition and holistic solutions.